Android L is a big update for Google, and it's set to hit consumer handset this fall. During the company's I/O keynote this week, Google detailed many of the release's big features. But what's most intriguing to us is how the software looks, or as Google is calling it, material design. The new approach is something that will be present across all Google's properties going forward, including the web, mobile, and even TVs, and it looks beautiful. Designed to be a more consistent approach across multiple form factors, Google described material design to be something that uses bolder graphics, more fluid motion, and more tactile surfaces, all combining to create an even more intuitive experience. This is something that will not only be present across the deepest part of Android L, but also in apps from developers, which is why the developer preview is already available. On the home screen, you can already see there are new software buttons, a triangle, circle, and square. It's these little flourishes along with the use of surface and shadow that will allow Google and other developers to establish a physical structure. This approach helps explain what can be touched and what can move within Android L. In the developer preview we played with, you already noticed some of the big changes to things like the notifications, which now shows up in a beautiful card style similar to Google Now. The notifications are also active too. You can either swipe to dismiss them or swipe down to interact and reply. It's a useful addition, and we can't wait to see how it works in the long term. Since we're running the preview on a tablet, we couldn't really see stuff like the new dollar in action, but we were able to see how material design would change something like the calculator. There you really get a good look at the bright colors, geometric shapes, and shadows used to indicate what and where the software can be touched. Everything you touch animates too, and it looks very, very beautiful. Elsewhere, Google is also making changes to multitasking, which is now laid out in a kind of Rolodex. Here you'll not only see your most recent app, but also tabs open in Chrome. Though that's not present just yet in this current developer preview, the layout is pretty simple to use and you can easily swipe them away like in previous versions. Android L is still early in development and doesn't even have a proper name yet, which means it's not quite present across the entire operating system. But from what we've seen so far, we're really enjoying where the OS is heading and can't wait to see the material design implemented even deeper into the experience.
Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't yet, please subscribe. You'll be the first one to know whenever we upload new content. We've got new stuff coming every single day. We want to make sure you see what's new in the world of consumer electronics.